What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech reviews. This time we're going to be looking at the all-new O2 cover case for the Osmo Pocket from the company Kiwi. Let's check it out. So if you notice in my hand right here, I have one of the cover cases right here, Osmo Pocket in the back. If you have one of these, it's a very nice little camera setup. Let me just show it to you. If you got that, it's a nice little device. You can pick it up for about 350 bucks. Does all types of video, goes all types of places, etc., etc. We're not here for this. Well, we're here for this, but we're here to find out how we can protect this. So I have it down in the official DJI little carrying case that it comes with. You get this, and this is the actual latch. Now you're gonna have to remove this, and it basically just comes out of this side. It's a little piece of silicone and just pops right through. So once you take that piece off, you can now put on one of these. So right here, the O2 cover case by the company Kiwi. I'm gonna drop a link below. Now I've already taken this one out of the box. It comes in two separate colors. Now let me get this one unboxed so you can see the color difference. And it's a very minimal unboxing. You get the instructions in here, and you get the actual little case right here. So this one is a light gray, and this one is a dark gray. These are the only two colors that they have. You're gonna be able to pick one of these up for about 12 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, I'll drop that link below. Now, once you've removed this little piece from the side, you're now free to put one of these on. So if you notice, this little latching mechanism right here is gonna match up right over here on the official DJI case. But let's talk about the aesthetics first. So, you know, I told you were gonna have to take this out. This is the other piece that you're gonna just slide right back in. Get a little piece down here that's gonna plug into your charging port, which makes this now dust proof as well as waterproof. Down in here, you can actually hold 3 different lenses. So you got your lenses hidden right down in there. Like I said, you got your locking hole, and it's dust proof and waterproof once you put this piece in. So I'm going to now take this out. Now remember, we got to put this piece in. So I'm just going to slide it right in there. See if I can get it in. It may be a little tricky. And I'm going to push it through. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, I had to work on this. I had to actually swap from the one I was trying to put on. But after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I actually got this thing in. Now, this piece is going to be a little hard to get down in there, not gonna lie. But the actual tool that they send you with this is going to help you to kind of push it down in there from the sides. But you got to get it in there, at least one side in first, and then go to pushing. So it's a process, not gonna lie. Made me a little tired. Almost wanted to stop this review, but got it in, and here we go. So it makes it completely waterproof. We're gonna sit this down in there. If I can get this on right. Sit this down in there, and it's gonna snap in. It's gonna latch, and there we go. So we got our port down here. That's closed up. We still have our wrist strap that's right here on deck. Make sure we got this closed all the way. Get a nice tight seal. Waterproof all the way around now. Waterproof and dust proof with the Kiwi O2. So this is a nice protective cover that you can get for your Osmo Pocket for about 12 bucks. Now I will tell you that it can be a little complicated to get on at first, but once you get it on, it looks good visually. It's nice, sturdy, it's protective. It's going to protect from those drops as well as water and dust. So I'll be sure and drop a link below. This is the Kiwi O2 case for the Osmo Pocket. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.